a lot has happened in the progress of my Paphiopedalum growth now, and this is what the flower looks like. So it's not fully bloomed yet. Let me see if I can zoom in here. There we go. It is just starting to open up. So this is really cool because this plant grows quite fast, and I didn't realize that until I got one of these ones. So that's a really cool plant, and this is a slipper orchid. When they open up, they look like slippers. That's how they got their common name. Alrighty, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.